Hi everyone, we're really excited to make a trip announcement. Isla is 10 on the 12th of December, so we have booked for her to go to Disneyland Paris for 3 days from the 19th of December. She loves Disney at Christmas. She's been 3-4 times for her birthday now. She was supposed to go last year but then got COVID. So we are going on the boat from Dover. So the next thing, we're going to stay at the Premier Classe, which is a relatively cheap hotel just off site of Disney. The first day when we check in, we're going to take Isla as a surprise to the Sea Life Centre, which she's never done, even though we've been going for years. So we've never been to Sea Life before in France, so we don't know how accessible it's going to be. We don't know how easy it's going to be for Isla to get around there. So we'll make sure we do a vlog showing all of that once we've actually been there. Me and Isla may go to Disneyland Paris in the evening that day because we need to get Isla's disabled pass, and we know from experience that trying to do that in the morning is a challenge, because everybody tries to do theirs in the morning, whereas in the evening you go straight up to the window. Again, I'll do a video showing how we buy the annual passes, how we do the disabled pass, the internet side of the disabled pass. So there's now an online questionnaire. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, please like the video, subscribe and hit the notification bell. We've got some really exciting content to come up from Disneyland, and thank you for rolling with our fields.